Alright, this is teal Outdoor Adventures, and today I'm going to share with you a teal and dove hunt I was able to experience recently. Before we get on to the hunt, I want to talk about my Kansas waterfowl reports. Every Thursday, I'll be posting a video talking about the general success and how the hunts are going and people across Kansas, and just my own personal thoughts and opinions on numbers and how the weekend or the week might look. I am not going to talk about specific locations because it's not my intention to bring people to marshes, or lakes or reservoirs or wherever. I don't want to be naming those spots because it's not going to help the people that hunt them a lot, and it's not going to help you guys because it's going to make everyone frustrated, and it's just not going to work out. So I'm not going to focus or name any specific locations, but talking as a state in general, and try to help you guys and encourage you guys to be the most successful that you can be. So that's kind of just giving you a heads up on my waterfowl reports. We post this every Thursday, so make sure you keep your eye out and also subscribe so that way you can get the reports as soon as I post them. Okay, so just recently, like I said, I wanted a teal dove hunt. I was able to meet up with a couple of guys from Wichita area that we just kind of met at the parking lot, and I was actually by myself, and we actually just went out and hunted together, and we actually did all right. So here is my hunt, my teal hunt. So I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, over here we got Sean, we got Matt. This is actually his first time hunting, and then over here I got my trusty dog Vader.
Shoot it. There, here. Wow. Oh, up front. There you go.
Okay, once I got back from the teal hunt, it was actually a really nice day for a dove hunt, and I've been seeing a lot of doves in the area. Some of the pools or some of the puddles that the doves have been drinking out have actually dried up, so they were starting to hit the ponds a lot more. And so over by where I live, there's a walk-in hunting area that has a pond, and the doves were coming off the cornfield and coming and hitting this pond pretty hard in the evening. So I actually took my other dog, Lady, who is in training. She's still trying to figure things out. And I took her on this hunt, and you'll see some footage of her as we get a few birds. So.
Really? Really? Good girl. Yeah, look at that fat. Good girl. Bring here. Double. Wow, she's good. Good girl. Give. Good girl. Back. That one. Wait. Woo. Ah.
All right, thank you for watching this. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have a comment or thoughts about how I can make my reports better or how I can make my videos better, leave a comment. I love to hear feedback from my audience as I can make my videos better for you. And it's also just good to hear your thoughts and stuff like that. So leave a comment. If you I have an Instagram account, I have a Twitter account, and I even have a Facebook page. So check me out on those as well. I post pictures and tweet regularly. So thanks for watching.